Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 5 important things you need to have in order for you to improve your video production value. Number 1 is a camera. So what I'm using is Sony a7 III. As you can see, is a mirrorless camera. Why did I choose Sony? 1, picture profile. You can shoot at S-Log. S-Log is a color profile that gives you a flat picture image so that you can grade it. Another thing is 4K and also 120 frames per second for slow motion. Number 2, I'm using a microphone. So this is the one which goes on top of the camera to record audio when you're shooting a video. Another thing for microphone is a lapel. So this is what I'm using to record interviews or even when somebody is talking to the camera. It gives you a good audio and it doesn't matter if you move, like the audio will still record perfectly. Number 3, lights. So you need light in order for your video quality to improve. This will reduce noise in your video, and also if you want to have a creative shot, you can gel these lights. So you can use the lights in order to achieve creative shots because you can gel it if you want a red color or a blue color. This is good for creative shots. In regards to lighting, you need also to have ND filters. So you can also use step up ring in order for you to step up your ND. You just buy one ND filter, then you can add the step up ring to your different lenses. Number 4, you need something to stabilize your footage so that you can have smooth shot. What I recommend is Steadicam or a gimbal. So this is what is called a Steadicam. You can stabilize your footage and also to get smooth shots. And also this is a gimbal. So this is Zhiyun Weebill S, but I use DJI Ronin S. So it helps you to stabilize your shots so that you can have smooth shots and also creative shots. Number 5, the top important thing if you want to take your video production to the next level out of frame, it is this one thing that will improve your video quality immensely: a drone. So a drone is not a necessity, it is a want. If you really need to take your time in order for you to know if you really want this drone. Drone can improve your video production. You can get aerial shots, establishing shots, and also in terms of charging your clients, you'll have to charge more to cater for the drone. Another thing is you don't need to buy a drone. If you know somebody who has a drone, you can hire it out because for them they have done the part of purchasing. Now it is you just to hire it in your production shoots. Also, if you want a drone pilot, you can also drop a comment for us to work together. I'll be your drone pilot. So those are the 5 important things you need to have in order for you to improve your production level. But I also have some bonuses. One of them is an external monitor. All along I've been using this external monitor in order to record my video. So with the external monitor you can view, you can also give somebody else to view your footage, or if you are in the sun, it has a sun hood. This sun hood helps you to view clearly what you are shooting during the sun. Also it has some added features like zebras, peaking. If your camera doesn't have those kinds of features, it is an added advantage. The last important thing that you need to have, this thing does not leave my camera bag. Things break in the shoot, things need to be attached, things need to be glued together. You don't need to buy a super glue. It is something that it is very important in terms of lighting and everything, even from the audio production. You can use it anywhere. It is this gaff tape. It is one of the most important things. So if you also need to kidnap somebody, you can just... So thank you for watching guys. I hope you've learned something new. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Don't forget to make it happen.